Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, we are unboxing this beauty, and yes, I have gone through it. This is from my girl Tony. You guys know who Craftpurge is. I recently posted a video of our collab doing the modern cheeky pop tag flips, and you guys, she sent me all these goodies. Isn't that amazing? I made her a box similar because her box totally inspired me, and I made her one similar, funky, fresh, and very 80s vibe. So I wanted to show you guys what she sent me. She does have a video showing her tag flip, so I'll just do a quick run through because I'm sure you guys have seen it. But look how adorable this is. This is the front page. And then it's this one, super fun and colorful. This cute little Project Life card. This one she made like a little pocket with some cute little hello words. She gave me a cute little pack of stickers. And then she made me like this little pocket with a shaker, and there's like sequins inside. How fun is that? I love this. And then there's like a little Project Life card here. And look, you guys, so cute. She gave me some bows. I love these. I never find cute bows. This is my favorite page. Look, you guys, the little panda bear, and she put like big lips on it. How funny is that? And look, little tassels, so cute. And then this one says whatever squad. And then the last one looks like this. She also made me little tassels here, like, well, some trim. She made me a little paper tassel, and then there's like a little scissor charm here. And then I think this is another one with the letter L. So that's the project that we both swapped, and on to the goodies. So I'm thinking I'm gonna move the box out of the way to show you guys what she sent me. She sent me, of course, a card, but that is for me. Let's put the tag over here. She sent me these super cute clips, which I think she made. Aren't they adorable? I think she had seen them and then she wanted to like replica them. And is that a word? Replica them? Or make a replica of them. And these are the ones she made. She also sent me this cute little bag. And there's like crinkle paper in there. She sent me some of these bows, which is so funny because I have the punch right here. I wanted to start playing with it. And they look so cute, you guys. Look at that. Teeny tiny little bows. And then she also sent me some of her swans. How cute did these come out? I cannot wait to play with these. I ordered the same die. So cute. So that's everything that was inside the little bag, right? Yeah. Super cute little rainbow bag. And then you guys, she sent me this super cute bag where she put this clip with a flower, some trim, which I'm gonna put separate because I'm gonna put that in my trim basket. And then in here, she sent me this super fun book where she put some stickers here with my name on it, and it says Be Insta Famous Social Media Journal. And then it just has like ways to log in, like social media stuff. This is so cute. This is adorable. Thank you so much, girlie. I absolutely love that book. It's so fun, and I've never seen it. Is that like from Target? It looks like a Target item. No, I don't think so. She sent me one of these cute little bags that she makes. She has a video on this where she makes these cute little bags. Or like envelopes. And you guys, she sent me bag toppers. I love when I get sent bag toppers because I'm yet to like purchase the die. Actually, I purchased it, but because it's coming from Ali, it's gonna take a while. But these are designed by her. Look at this one. Super cute. I love these. Should I put them back? Yeah, maybe I should put them back. Let's put this back. Okay. She sent me so many things, you guys. Then there's this little bag. And there's another little clip, which is so fun because it's one of those that you like change the color of the sequins. And then more little samples of the trims, which we'll put right over here. I love how she didn't like seal down the bags because I could reuse them. In here, she sent me some stickers. Look how cute these are. I like that they're like pastel, super light. A lot of the watermelon stickers usually are like super red, and these are not. Those are fun. Thank you. And then, you guys, she made little envelopes, like, well, they're not little, like 12 by 12 envelopes. She decorated the outside. She put some Velcro. And in this one, which I'm saving all of these because these are super fun to save, she gave me some of these cute little gemstones. I saw her haul these, and she gave me some more of these little clips. Not clips, charms. Scissors, sewing machine, a little hanger, the little ruler. So cute. She hooked me up. Then we have another one of these, and inside this one, she gave me some more goodies, and I think these are the ones that she found at her dollar store. There's these that are like pink iridescent. And there's these little resin flowers. Actually, they're stickers. And then these little pink iridescent roses. And you guys, I don't have any of these. I'm so excited. Then there's another little bag, also with some more trim. This cute little clip with a pom-pom on it. Put the trim over here. And inside this one is a mini embellishment box. And I sent her one on her tag flip though. Look how cute. Let me move all the crinkle paper. It was underneath, but my wife went through the box. They fell in love. My wife and my daughter fell in love with this package, and they just put everything back all crazy. But she gave me some tassels, some little resin pieces, donuts, little gold buttons. Let me take this out of here. How cute is that? Thank you. Tony, you are the best, I swear. And then last but not least, she gave me this clipboard, you guys. And it says, colors speak louder than words. It's a rainbow clipboard. How amazing is that? And if that wasn't enough, like all of this, she sent me some more goodies. So in here, in this little bag, which I will definitely be keeping. Try not to rip it. She sent me a pack of stickers. And they look like this. And I had this sticker pack, I think it's from Dollar Tree, but I gifted it. So now I have it back. So cute. I love the sneakers. Cute! And then, this is another little bag. And in here, she gave me some more stickers, which I am so excited about. I saw her haul some of these, and these are from Hobby Lobby. But how cute is that swan? And look at the balloons. So cute. Thank you so much for sharing with me, Tony. And she shared some bags with me. So I have some of the big ones, which is like this one. I have little ones in pink. And these cute little ones right here, the little, well, medium and like a little bit large. That would be considered large here, but you guys know what I mean. And then there's these little pastel ones. So cute. Oh my God, this package was amazing. But you guys, look how cute. because when it was packaged up, this was on the top. Look at these little heart popcorns. I am definitely saving these. I've never seen these. How cute. And this was all on top. Definitely packaging this I still said it wrong. Packaging this up. I'm so excited that I can't even speak. Packaging this up because I've never seen this and I need to keep it. So I need to get me a nice big Ziploc bag and add all my popcorn or my shred and little confetti in the bottom and save it. But yeah, you guys, that is my amazing package from Tony. And the last thing that she did send was her entry to my challenge, which I will show you guys right now. She decided to include it in here. Thank you, girlie. And this is her handmade card. You guys, this color is gorgeous. And it's a shaker. Look at that. So pretty. I love that sound. So pretty. I love the paper that she used in the back. Super cute. Obsessed. That's how the card opens. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I love it so much. And she gave me a vellum envelope. Isn't that cute? And then her memory decks card is right here. Hopefully I didn't show her information. This is her little memory decks card. You guys, look at this unicorn. So beautiful. I absolutely love it. So cute. It's so fun and colorful. I cannot wait to put this on my memory wheel. Tony, thank you so much for the box. Thank you so much for my entry. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for your friendship. Thank you for everything. And yeah, you guys, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.